Partners, Department of Physics welcomes you all to the online learning session of value-added course Drawing Electrical and Electronic Circuits using Software. This video module will help you to draw Anderson's bridge circuit using Edraw software. I am Mrs. P. Kanmani, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics SF, VV 1A Perumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. So let's just recall the things learnt in the previous module. In previous module, we have discussed about what is a circuit diagram, the need for circuit diagram software. We have also seen about the simulation circuit softwares, what are the available softwares, then why we choose Edraw software for drawing the circuits, and how to download and install the Edraw software on our PC. So why we choose Edraw software? It is easily logged on to through a web browser in Windows, Mac or Linux platform. It has many ready-made templates and designs. Over 800 vector circuit symbols and elements are available. We can share and co-work on the existing design. Then we can export in high compatibility formats. With this basic understanding, let's move on to drawing the Anderson's bridge circuit using Edraw software. We have already installed the Edraw software. So just go to Edraw software icon and open the software for drawing the Anderson's bridge circuit. So software gets loaded. These are the basic categories available and ready-made templates available. Basic business, software and data, development, networking, engineering. Under engineering category, we have to choose electrical engineering, and under electrical engineering, we have to choose basic electrical. So click on the basic electrical. So we have the workspace and we are now going to draw the Anderson's bridge circuit. So we know that Anderson's bridge has 4 ohms, and in 4 ohms we have to connect resistors, inductor, and in between the 2 ohms of a bridge we have to connect a variable resistor and a headphone, and in between them we have to connect a capacitor, and on the other 2 ohms and in between the other 2 ohms of the bridge we have to connect the AC source. So first we start drawing with the line tool. Go to shapes, choose line tool. So draw the 4 arms of the bridges. By leaving gaps for connecting the desired components. So in this side of the arm, we have to connect both resistor and inductance coil. So we have to leave gap for both the components. So using the line tool, we have drawn the 4 arms of the bridges. Now we have to choose the components. So go to basic electrical symbols and choose a resistor available. Just click and drag them into the workspace. Then we need inductance coil. So pick and drag it. Then we have to orient and resize each resistor. Orient to 45 degree. So orient this resistor to 135 degree. So orient this resistor to 45 degree. Resize it. Again orient the inductor to 45 degree. Resize it. So we have placed the inductor. Now we have to orient this resistor. Again orient it to 45 degree. Resize it. Move it. And make the adjustment. So we have placed the resistors in the 4 ohms. Now we have to connect in between these 2 ohms. We have to connect a variable resistor and a headphone. So pick the variable resistor, drag it into the workspace, then orient it to 90 degree. Then bring it to the alignment, resize it. Then connect it using the line tool. Then we need the headphone. So pick up the headphone. Resize it and move it to the desired location. Then connect it using the line tool. So we have connect the variable resistor and headphone between these two arms. Now we have to connect the capacitor in between them. So choose capacitor, drag it into the workspace, resize it, then connect it using the line tool. Then we have to connect the AC source between these two arms. So under basic electrical symbols, you can find the AC symbol. So click and drag it into the workspace. Resize it. Then connect it using the line tool. So we have completed the Anderson's bridge circuit. Now we have to label the components. So just go with the text tool, click and drag and name the components. So we have completed and labeled all the components. Now we are ready to export the circuit to the desired format. Go to File, click Save As option, choose the desired location, choose JPG format. Once you give the file name, it will ask you for the resolution. Give the desired resolution and click the Save button. Your circuit is ready in the JPG format. Click OK. So we have successfully drawn the Anderson's bridge circuit using Edraw software. Learners, you are advised to work with the Edraw software repeatedly. Skill is nothing but the repeated practice. So once you practice, you can draw any graphs or you can design any circuits using Edraw software. Thank you.